Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Raiza Contawi, and welcome to my newest series, Make Your Mark Challenge.
Baby, I give up. You're catching my attention, I surrender. Won't you say cheese? I'm taking a mental picture.
Well, as you may all know, kaka-launch lang ng Avon ng kanilang newest brand, which is Mark. And Mark is their playful, edgy, kind of adventurous makeup line. And so, inisip ko, paano kaya kung ang series na gagawin ko or may collaboration with Avon, i-stretch natin yung limit or tignan natin kung saan ba aabot itong Mark products. And what's special about this series is that kasama kayo sa bawat episode dahil before ko pa i-tape ito, ay nagkaroon ako ng voting kung ano ba yung look na gagawin natin for this first episode. And this first episode is Runway Edition. Kayo ang pumili niya. You made me do this. If you go to my YouTube channel, under my community tab, doon yung makikita na doon nangyari ang voting kung saan magpo-post ako ng photos with 3 options. And nandoon din yung survey para talagang concrete yung numbers, para walang daya. Makikita nyo talaga kung saan or kung ano yung picture na nanalo. And for our Runway episode, out of more than 8,000 votes, our look for today is look number 2. The overall look that I can see is a illuminated face. The brows are matched with the hair. And then for the eyes, mauvey colors. I can see browns as well. Highlights pagdating sa inner corners and doon sa center of the lids. And matched din ang lips sa eyes. More of mauves, berries, plums. My Mark products are ready right here. Ito lang ang gagamitin natin. Before I go sa makeup, I'm going to prep my skin. And I'm intrigued na gamitin itong Avon True Nutra Effects Mattifying Toner. This is what it looks like. And before you begin applying it on your face, you have to shake it kasi para siyang, meron siyang powder. Oh, it smells very refreshing. It's cooling. It's not stinging, but it's cooling. For my primer, I'm going to use this, Mark primer. This, it comes in a white color. Silicone primer siya. Mattifying primer. This is like liquid powder. Now, for the foundation, I have here the 3 shades. This is Shell, Medium Beige, and Pure Beige being the darkest. That is Pure Beige. Yep. Darker. And then, ito naman yung natural beige. Pwede. And then, shell. Okay, I think I'll mix shell and natural or medium beige, I mean. It's really kind of a watery foundation. What I'm going to do is just blend this with a brush. I feel like the brush is the best tool to apply this with because of its consistency. Kapag sponge yung ginamit nyo, I feel like baka masoak lang ng sponge. So brush would be your best bet. Since this foundation has sheer coverage, I can see just a few spots peeking through pa. So I'm going to use a concealer. And this is Avon True's Flawless Concealer Stick in Natural, Neutral, Light, Medium. Oh, it's light. Compared doon sa isa na light, medium. Ito, neutral to. Ayun. Ito naman saktong-sakto. Gagawin ko, medyo i-conceal ko lang yung spots na kailangan ma-conceal. Now, it's time to set my face. I'm going to use the pressed powder. But it's going to be tricky kasi wala pang translucent powder so everything has color. And I want to make it still dimensional so gagamit ako ng multiple shades. This is light medium and gagamitin ko to sa labas ng face ko. And it's nice because yellow tone siya. And then, ito namang light. Ito naman ang gagamitin ko dito sa ilalim ng mata ko para hindi siya magiging flat. Kasi parang wala din kung isang shade lang yung gagamitin ko for the rest of my face. I'm thinking of 2 products for the brows kasi I'm kind of gauging pa kung ano yung babagay talaga. So, I have here the Styling Duo, which has the powder and wax. Yan siya. And I also have the pencil here. So what I'm going to do is I will first draw the outline. Wow, it colors very quickly on the skin, so you have to watch out. Parang konti ganun mo lang, kumukulay na siya. So what I'll do is I will draw the shape first. Now I will get the powder para mas soft yung yung brows. I will place that here. And then using the powder, just fill in the gaps. Kung ano man yung hindi ma-fill in ng pencil. And we want a softer, how do you say this? We want a softer part on the beginning of the brow. So we will just use the powder to fill that in. So I'm going to do is I'm going to use a brush and just color it upward. I matched my brows with my hair because I feel like that's the way to go. And then, kumbaga pinareho ko na lang kung paano yung style ng brow. So medyo malapit dito, tsaka medyo pababa siya. And then mamaya lalagyan na lang natin siya ng soft contouring. So now, punta na tayo sa eyeshadow. I'm looking at the two palettes. So dalawa lang naman yung palettes ng Mark. We have here the Smoky Nights and Nude Muse. And I feel like Nude Muse talaga yung dapat. So nandito kasi yung more of violets and pinks. And then dito naman sa kabila yung mas bold yung colors. So merong mga metallic, glittery, orange, bronze, gold. But I feel like I need to use this shade. I'm going to start with this palette as my base. And I'm going to apply this pinkish shade. So let's try applying it here at the top part. Lalagyan na natin siya ng deeper shades on the outer V. And I'm going to use this first. Itong medyo purple. This eyeshadow palette, it says na it's good for wet or dry application. So you can wet it. Meron siyang go signal na you can wet the eyeshadow. After the purple shade, it's time for the deepest color, which is this one. It's more of a plum color, and we are really going to concentrate that on the outer V. Don't worry about the center of the lids being not totally blended because I'm intentionally leaving it blank for the highlights. For the lower rim of the eyes, we really need to smoke it out with a brown shade. I don't really have the exact brown shades. I'm going to try using this shade right here. Ooh, that's a bit dark. So what I'm going to do is go back to that same deep plum and blend that with that shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back to that concealer. I will apply that here, again on the center of my lids. And then get the sponge applicator that comes with it. And I'm going to dip that here. This highlighter right here. And pat it on that part kung saan tayo naglagay ng concealer. And just pat the product. Do not glide it or anything. Using the same highlight shade, we're going to extend that on the inner corners. Dito sa gitna at saka dito talaga sa ilalim. Once the highlights are set, it's time for the eyeliner. And we're going for a very winged liner. We have the big graphic liquid eyeliner. Para siyang pentel pen ang dating. Ayan o, para siyang marker. Madali lang itong gamitin kung ganito. So, gagawin nyo, just line it. Wow, para talagang... Wow, parang marker. Sobrang black. Oh my gosh. Shocked. So, ang gagamitin ko, itong dulo, yun yung ipang-line ko na siya. Ang dali. Kasi para siyang marker. And then, i-tilt nyo lang siya para saktong-sakto na siya doon sa wing. Ayan o. So, ang ganda ng linya nyo kasi ang broad ng ano niya, ng applicator niya. Bam! Eyeliner on fleek! Wow, and hindi siya glossy, ha? Nagmamatify siya pagka-apply and then para kang, ooh! Before I do the lashes, I'm going to do the face first. And for the blush, I'm going to use this Avon Luminous Blush. I'm not going to use the Strobing Duo because it's cream and I've already mattified my face. And I feel like yung look nga niya is medyo matte. So I'm not going for a dewy or anything dewy product. So this is the Luminous Blush ba? Oh, yeah, Luminous Blush in Rose Luster. Let's place that here sa ilalim mismo ng mata. Then medyo ibababa natin siya ng konti and just blend it outward. Now, to add warmth, magdadagdag naman ako ng itong shade na to. Hindi siya gaanong bronzer eh. So, ilalagay ko naman siya dito sa ilalim. Para again, may transition. Hindi siya yung pink and then skin agad. So, meron kumbaga, may pagka-diffuse ng kulay. Ayun, nakikita ko siya. And nakikita kong meron siyang highlight na binibigay. The blending of the blush and itong bronzer and highlighter ng Mark is doing pretty well. Looks really nice. It's becoming more rosy than plumish, maybe because of the palette. Wala na akong magagawa. Yun yung challenge talaga. So I'm really doing my best. For the lips, hahabulin lang natin yung kulay ng mata. So I have here a purple shade and a deep berry shade. So, meron tayong Sweet Taffy, which is this one. And then, Heartbreaker, which is this one. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to mix both para hindi masyadong purple, hindi rin naman masyadong red. Because I will be applying the eyeshadow. The reason is, wala talagang shade na ganon dito sa products ko on hand. Wala pa ako yung super deep colors eh. Gagawin ko na lang siya ng paraan. Gusto ko lang merong adhesive yung eyeshadow. Now, we are going back to that same palette kung saan nandoon yung violet, this shade, right here. Gagamitin ko ito and try natin siyang i-apply on the lips. Okay, medyo light pa siya. So again, try ko muna itong Sweet Taffy lang muna para wala masyadong redness. Apply it on the center. Anyway, the lipsticks are not matte. So, medyo sila, satin and creamy. Kaya madaling kapitan ng eyeshadow. Apply naman natin tong shade na to. Let's go for the deep shade talaga. And apply it here. Sa gitna na. Okay. Okay, you're getting there. May pagka-metallic yung shade na to. I mean, satin yata ang finish din ng eyeshadow eh. So, meron siyang kumbaga hindi siya matte. Looks good. Girl, sometimes when you're just about to question your skills, you just hold on and have faith that everything will be alright. And it just diffuses. The color on the lips just feathers out. It's nice. Okay, so I'm going to apply kind of highlights on the center of my face because I want it to be parang illuminated. So I'm going to use this again, this eyeshadow palette, and parang may matte shades dito. Yan. Wala siyang shimmers, pero ma-highlight pa rin yung mukha. Just make sure to blend it really well. There you go. Ooh. Okay, a little bit of contouring. I will try to contour with the bronzer just to get that definition. And I'm going to use yung Beach Babe and I'm going to apply that here. Oh, I know. Yung pangkilay. Yung styling duo. Wait, where is it? Here you go. Tut-tut. Konting-konti lang. And then, apply it here. And then, baba nyo lang ng konti yung color. When you're working on your nose line, less is more. That's the key. I'm going to use Beach Babe again. Brush it upward. You just want that dimension. I like the subtleness of this. I'm just going to apply the false eyelashes and we're done. And since kayo ang nag-decide ng look na to, kayo din ang magde-decide kung achieve ba o hindi. So give this a thumbs up kung nagustuhan nyo, and okay lang naman na bigyan nyo ng thumbs down kung hindi nyo nabetan. Okay lang yan. So let me know in the comment section below what you think, and also stay tuned dahil mag-a-announce ulit ako ng second voting para naman sa second episode ng ating Make Your Mark Challenge series. Congratulations, Avon Cervino, for winning. And ito yung comment niya. Sabi niya, ang galing naman nito, Miss Rai. My name is Avon po talaga and name ng husband ko is Mark. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, just make sure that you are subscribed and notified by clicking the bell button below. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Raiza Contawi. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye!